Today we're diving into an incredibly effective strategy for managing your money and boosting your savings, the 50-30-20 rule. Whether you're new to budgeting or looking to fine-tune your financial plan, this rule can be a game changer. Stick around as we explore how to use the 50-30-20 rule to take control of your finances and save more. Let's get started. Number 1. Understanding the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is more than just a budgeting technique. It's a guiding principle that fosters a healthy financial lifestyle. By breaking down your income into these 3 distinct categories, you're creating a roadmap for financial stability. Let's delve deeper into each category. Firstly, needs encompass the essentials crucial for maintaining your lifestyle. These include housing costs, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. It's vital to note that while these are essential, there's still room for flexibility. For instance, while shelter is a basic necessity, the type of housing you choose might vary based on your preferences and financial capabilities. Within the 50% needs category, prioritizing needs that are essential for your well-being is key. Moving on to wants, this category covers the non-essential but often enjoyable aspects of life. Dining out, entertainment, hobbies, travel, and discretionary shopping fall under this segment. It's crucial to be mindful here. While these expenses enhance our quality of life, they should be managed within the 30% allocation. This category encourages you to enjoy life without compromising your financial health. Lastly, savings is the backbone of your financial security. Allocating 20% of your income to savings paves the way for achieving your financial goals. This includes building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, investing, and creating a safety net for the future. Understanding and balancing these categories is key to financial well-being. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle while also securing your financial future. The 50-30-20 rule provides a clear guideline to help strike this balance. Number 2, implementing the 50-30-20 rule. Implementing the 50-30-20 rule involves a practical approach to managing your finances. It's about converting this guideline into a functional plan that suits your lifestyle and financial aspirations. So, how can you put this rule into action? The first step is income analysis. Take a close look at your after-tax earnings. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your actual income as a starting point. Then, segment this amount into the 50-30-20 categories. You can utilize various budgeting tools and spreadsheets available online or through apps to assist in this process. These tools can streamline the allocation process and provide a visual representation of how your income aligns with the 50-30-20 proportions. Once you've broken down your income, it's time to allocate it according to the rules. Start by identifying your essential needs and allocate approximately 50% of your income there. This might include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and minimum debt payments. Ensuring this portion accurately covers your essentials is key to maintaining financial stability. After addressing needs, focus on managing wants. Allocate around 30% of your income to enjoyable but non-essential expenses. This might cover dining out, entertainment, hobbies, or other discretionary spending. Being mindful of your spending habits within this category ensures you stay within the 30% bracket. Finally, commit at least 20% of your income to savings. This category enables you to build a financial cushion, prepare for emergencies, save for retirement, or invest in your future. Automated transfers to savings accounts or investment vehicles can make this process more seamless. Remember, while implementing the 50-30-20 rule, it's essential to periodically review and adjust your allocations as your life circumstances change. This flexibility allows you to adapt and fine-tune your budget to match your evolving needs and goals. Number 3. Tips and benefits of the 50-30-20 rule. Implementing the 50-30-20 rule effectively involves a few key strategies and reaping its benefits. Let's dive into some insightful tips to make this rule work for you. Firstly, regular tracking of your expenses is essential. By monitoring and categorizing your spending, you ensure you're adhering to the 50-30-20 proportions. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even simple pen and paper methods to stay on track. Life changes, such as a new job, moving to a new city, or changes in family status, may require adjustments. Regular check-ins with your budget can help you adapt and reallocate your finances accordingly. Automation is a game changer when it comes to savings. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Automating this process ensures that a portion of your income consistently goes toward meeting the 20% savings goal. This strategy not only simplifies the process, but also removes the temptation to spend what should be saved. Lastly, let's talk about the multitude of benefits that come with embracing the 50-30-20 rule. Not only does this rule help you manage your money more effectively, but it also cultivates better financial habits. By prioritizing savings and managing wants within a reasonable limit, it significantly reduces financial stress. This approach encourages a more mindful and purposeful spending mindset. Moreover, by consistently saving 20% of your income, you're making significant strides toward achieving your long-term financial goals, be it buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Embracing these tips and recognizing the multifaceted benefits of the 50-30-20 rule can truly transform your financial well-being. It's not just about managing money, it's about creating a lifestyle that aligns with your goals and values. That's a wrap on using the 50-30-20 rule to manage your money and save more. Remember, it's a guideline, not a strict rule. Tailor it to fit your individual circumstances and priorities.